Have you ever looked at your savings and just thought, is this even enough to start investing in Nigeria? Well, if you've got 50,000 naira, the answer is a huge, powerful yes. Over the next few minutes, we're going to map out exactly how that amount can be the launch pad for your entire financial future.
So picture this. You're a recent graduate, maybe in Lagos, juggling work, bills, all of that stuff. You finally managed to save up 50,000 naira, and that feels like a big win. But it also feels kind of small, right? The big question starts to creep in. Can this really make a difference, or should I just wait until I have way more? That exact feeling of uncertainty, that's what we're going to tackle today.
Okay, let's just get this out of the way right now. The answer is an absolute yes. That 50,000 naira isn't just enough, it's actually the perfect amount to get started. Why? Because the real secret isn't about how much you start with, it's about what you do with it.
Seriously, forget this whole idea that you need a mountain of cash to get in the game. The real, true secret to building wealth is something way simpler. It's all about starting the right habit and starting it right now. This quote right here, it just nails it. You see, you're not just investing $50,000. You are building the habit of putting your money to work for you. That routine, that discipline, that is the real asset. It's going to pay you back for the rest of your life long after this first $50,000 has grown into something much bigger. I mean, think about it. You've got two paths. On one side, you have the person who's just waiting for the perfect time, for a million naira to magically appear in their account. And on the other side, you've got the person who starts today, building that investing muscle. That second path, the one that's all about action, that's where real wealth is built. Every single time. And that's the big mindset shift, right there. Your 50,000 naira isn't just cash sitting there. It's a seed. And if you plant it correctly and you nurture it with a little bit of consistency, it has the potential to grow into a towering financial tree. Okay, so you're ready to plant that seed. Awesome. But where do you actually put it? Let's open up the toolkit. Here are 4 super smart, really accessible paths you can take with your first 50,000 naira. So we've got 3 main places to put your money: mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. And then we have one master strategy that basically supercharges all of them. Let's do a quick breakdown of what each one actually means for you. First step, we've got mutual funds. Now, think of this like you and a bunch of other people chipping in together to hire a professional investor. Your 50,000 naira gets pulled with everyone else's, and an expert invests it for you across tons of different assets. You get instant diversification and pro-level management, all without having to pick a single stock yourself. It's a fantastic set-it-and-forget-it option for beginners. Next up, you can become a part owner of massive companies using apps like Trove or Bamboo. The real magic here is something called fractional shares. What that means is you don't need 100,000 naira to buy one share of some big company. Nope. With just, say, 10,000 naira, you can buy a little slice of Apple or a piece of Dango Cement. You literally get to own a part of these global and local giants. How cool is that? Now, if you want maximum safety, there's always federal government savings bonds. Basically, you're loaning your money to the government, and they promise to pay you back with interest. Look, it's not going to have the explosive growth you might see with stocks, but it offers incredible stability and peace of mind. It's a really solid, secure foundation to build on. Okay, this last point isn't another place to put your money. Instead, it's a strategy that makes the other 3 way more powerful. Honestly, the single most important move you can make is to not just invest this one time, but to keep adding to it consistently. Think about it like this. After you've put in that initial $50,000, what if you could just add another $10,000 every single month? That small, consistent action is what transforms a small seed into a real portfolio. It's the engine that drives your growth over time. And this is where the real magic happens. It's called compounding. Your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning their own returns. It creates this amazing snowball effect. You can see it on the chart. The growth isn't just a straight line. It actually curves upwards. It accelerates over time. And that is the incredible power you unlock with consistency. So, we've covered the how, but now let's talk for a second about the why. Because making this first investment, well, it's about something much, much bigger than just the numbers in your account. Let's just be real for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a lottery ticket. You're not going to be a millionaire by next Tuesday. The real prize, the real win from taking this first step, it's actually way more valuable than that. Investing this first 50,000 naira is you making a statement. It's a declaration of intent. It is you proving to yourself that you are in the driver's seat of your own financial life. It's the moment you stop being a passive saver and you become an active builder of the future that you want.
Every great financial journey, every story of wealth, is built on a series of small, deliberate steps, all starting with the very first one. We've shown you the path, so the only question left is, what will your first step be?